Good morning. We're in the island of Ike, a small island after the island of Miyagi. Remember Karate Kid? So we're having breakfast here. This is the northernmost tip of the island. Kahapon, rainy season, heavy rains. Ngayon maganda yung araw. Just a quick review ng breakfast nila. This one is parang mushroom, blanch lang siya. Then yung meat nila cut into thin slices. Then you have these seaweeds. Seaweeds, no? Grabe, healthy masyado. Kaya that explains yung diet nila, no? This is tuna escabeche, parang meat looking. Of course, simula kami muna sa salad. This is yung resto, no? Resto of the hotel that we're staying. Excellent naman yung rating. We rarely book in hotels na hindi excellent sa Agoda. And we have some pricing consideration. So healthy, that explains pala talaga, no? Yung mga Japanese diet. Healthy. Ilang minutes yung niluto mo yung pan mo?
Wala na. Ilan sa'yo ilan?
Sabi niya, at least 1 minute lang, 1 to 2 minutes lang. Ang blanch lang siya. Anong soup yan? What is
Corn soup.
Oh, napaka-defensive.
Such a...
Then yung sauce nito, iba yung isa local dressing, no, for Okinawan dressing. Then yung rare masyado, may mga fried sila. Kagabi we have hindi naman grilled yun naman, no? Ano to? Basically pinapatulo yung oil. So we have much to learn sa mga Okinawans.